Guys, I'm back to do my last review on the pirate with parrot. Well, the pirate skeleton, I don't care anymore. That is a skeleton. So here he is all set up. I'm only keeping him out for a couple of days. So this is him finally set up. And I'm basically going to go on detail, how much I like him on a scale of 1 to 5. Okay, so let's start off with a demo first.
Ahoy! Who goes there? Just stand clear of me, booty, if you like living. Stand clear! Run away! Run away! Listen to the bird. The bird knows of what he speaks. Run away!
Okay, now I'm going to do one without moving around.
Why do all the trick-or-treaters come to me to die? Ding dong! Trick-or-treat! Trick-or-treat! Yes! Trick or treat! Trick-or-treat! Who goes there? Look at you. Why, you're even uglier than I remember you. Uglier than I remember. So once the bird and me agree on something. Get ugly! You better watch your step. This is no place for guests. Come on, trick or treat. Come on, trick or treat. Watch it, bird. I'll slice you in half.
Okay, so I think that's all of them. Or if there's like a few more, I think it says it on his box. Wait. Okay. Move it. Box. I don't know, but anyway, let's get to the detail. Let's start off with I don't know, his claw, basically. This is called, I think, I don't remember. I think this is, I forgot what this. I don't remember what it's called. But I'll call it a pirate hook for now. But, his pirate hook is cool. This is obviously the one who has the button on it. And here's the tag. Oh my god, I showed you that before. And, you can take that off if you want. But, I might leave it on until next Halloween. My mom got it so it matches the bride, like I showed you guys, my bride. His machete, is it machete? Or his sword is also really, really cool. You can't see because oh wait, you kind of can see. There's a skull, here. He is a really cool prop. He has a little bit of chains over here. He has a belt, his finger, his parrot. Now let's get on to the boots. The boot and this thing. It's like it was kind of easy to put on. His pants and his clothing. This is like actual clothing. And like he's metal. Like he's plastic, so like he has a big like hole around him, so he's really, really good. He was originally $100. My mom got it for $25 because it's obviously clearance time and they want to get rid of this stuff. His face is really cool. I like his eyeball. Also can't see that. You know what? Let me turn him a little bit so you see him with some sunlight. You see his eyeball, his patch, his mouth, and his hat, his bandana, and the parrot is also really cool. Its eyes, its beak, and it's a skeleton parrot actually. So yeah, I don't really have much to talk about this thing. I do give it a 5 out of 5. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and this is basically it. So this is probably my last Halloween review, unless I want to film one unless they're here. I'll show you his box. He's right there. But I don't think I'm going to film him because I put him away. You'll definitely see him once I get my room. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Ahoy! Who goes there? Just stand clear of me, Pookie, if you like living. Stand clear! Run away!